Fresa Technologies provides a complete neutral IT solution for freight forwarders. And one of our service is Fresa Customer Tracking Portal. Let's find out Fresa Customer Tracking Portal. Customer Tracking Portal is a data center that provides entire logistics information to customers. Provides customers with a single point of access to the shipment information like track shipment status, view shipment milestones, view shipper-wise summary, view consignee-wise summary, view POL and POD-wise summary, generate statement of accounts, download invoice copy by click of a button, download EDO, download DBL. You can also track warehouse management system report by simply giving the organization name and date in our portal, and you can also able to see outstanding statement easily. We are providing lots of features for your logistic business. Customer Web Portal is an add-on feature that will be custom developed as per your business requirements. It is a self-service portal that provides improved visibility to our key customers to access real-time information. Customer Portal is secured and available for customers with 24/7 support. Customers can use 365 days a year on their desktop or laptop or mobile, tablet devices. Customer Portal login link can be enabled in your website. Your customer can visit your website and log into the portal. It enables more visits to your website, thus increases your website's score indirectly. Customer Portal extends customer support services to customers without recruiting further employees and saves your employee time and cost drastically. Customer satisfaction is our motto. For more queries, visit www.fresetechnologies.com. Thanks for watching.